All right, so I was saying, now I don't want to just say name is equals to, I don't want to just say name is equals to Jerry, because the user that is using your site can have a different name. So there's a way you can ask the user to enter his name, and we call that impute function. Okay, the function is called sorry for the M, is called impute function. For those of you in computer science, in your exam you'll be asked to write code on paper, so pay attention to this. You'll be asked to do this. So name is equals to impute. Now inside this impute you write a string. Remember, when you want to write words, you use this double quote, right? It's not a variable. So you tell the user what to do. For example, enter your name, then you put full column. Just ask him anything you want to write here. I used to write enter your name, then I add space. That's what I normally do. Okay, then I'm going to say, this is what I will do now. I will be like, print, look at what I want to do now, print welcome, then after the welcome I use plus. You can use comma also, but let's start practicing the plus. You can use welcome plus name. Now what this will do, let me show you the output. Let's see. So the first thing you will see in the output is enter your name. So you click on it. This, by the side there, you will see a prompt blinking. Click on it and you enter your name, Joseph. So immediately you write Joseph and you press enter, which is this stuff here. What am I doing? And you write enter. It will show welcome Joseph. Okay, do we get it? So this impute function there allows the user to enter his or her name by herself. Okay, I don't know why this as at here to get the cracked version now. Okay, allow the user to enter his or her name. So if you are using plus, when you write welcome, put space beside this. Okay, so you can do this for several things. You can even use it to write story. You can name your program story generator. You can tell the person enter your name, enter your address, enter your favorite food, and you can write a story. Hello, your name is this, your favorite food is this, your this thing is this, you love this. You can just write a biography about the person. Or you can do it for a school. You tell the students enter your name, then you go down, you do for school, and you use impute also. Enter your school, enter your level, then you write at the end, you will write congratulations, then congratulations Joseph, you have been granted admission into, you write the name of the school there, but it is the user that will impute the name of the school. You have been granted admission into dash, your current level is the user's variable we enter there. So I just hope you guys are getting the gist. So let's do it and let's close. So I'll give you an example, so you guys should creatively go and do your work. So my own now, I'll ask the person for his name. Let me ask the person for level. Who is that now? So the level is what? Let's allow the user to enter or alright. So you can allow the user to enter his level. Inputs, then you open the brackets. So the idea of today's class is that you are not just writing the name by yourself, you are allowing the user to input. That's how login, all those login page works, but you won't know. So input, enter your current level, then you put space. I just do it like that. Then what again course. I can be like input messages, input what is your course of study. Okay, then if you can get all these things from the user, all you just need to do now is to creatively show an output. Okay, all you need to do now is to creatively show an output. So you can, and your output, this is what you guys can do. You can print everything, or you can store your output in a variable. Let me do an example. I can write output as a variable. Stay with me. So I wrote output as variable. So I will write output is equals to, then we start to write welcome welcome Mr/Mrs. Then it's a string. Let's use comma throughout. Welcome Mr/Mrs. then name, then comma you have been granted admission to study so don't mind my spelling, to study then comma, then you can write course. Hope you guys are getting the idea. Then you put comma again. This is a word, so it must be a string. This is your how are we going to use this level now? Your current level is then you put comma, then you write level. Then at the end you print output. So it's not every time you make your output section crowded. You can store all your output in a variable, then you just print it. That's how creative one can be. So if we run this, let's hope we don't have error. So enter your name. See the way it will ask you one by one. So if I enter my name, James, then when you click enter, it will show you what is your course of study. I write computer. Sorry, I don't have space there. I just spell computer. Then we had an error. So let's check the error. We had an error. You can see that my work is scattered. Please no add. Jesus Christ. Okay, so we had an error. So let's check the error. So welcome. Let's do it together. Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Name. You have been granted admission to study course. Your current level is level. There's not supposed to be comma here. And let me teach you guys this thing. This is for professionals. I just want to add brackets. Let me see. This is for don't ask me this. Okay, this is the issue is from this level. We put input then comma there. Let me teach you this thing. Anytime you want to read error in your code, I will teach you specially so that in case you make mistake, you will know how to read it. So what's the name? James. What's the level? 100 level. What is the course? CMP. So welcome Mr. and Mrs. J. You have been getting admission to study CMP. Your current level is 100 level. That's what I want to see as your output, everybody. So just create several variables. Use your own story, don't use my own story. Be creative. Okay, use your own, don't use my own, and be creative. So take it slowly, and I know that you will definitely get it. All right, so if you learned some